All right, guys, if you guys want to know how a windshield is removed from your vehicle and you want to know the process from start to finish, watch this video and you'll find out exactly how. All right, guys, as you can see, it's coming up right now. This is how it looks when it's coming out. All right, guys, so the first step is going to be just whatever car you have. Need it be an Audi, BMW, Mercedes. It's just simply removing the rearview mirror. In my situation, I have the rain sensor in mind. So as you can see, the first thing you want to do is just remove the rearview mirror. First step to any car in order to remove the windshield. Sorry I don't have the first beginning part of it. I had to get my camera and permissions and different things like that. So once you remove this right here, that's when he came over here. And then at that point, he removed these clips. So this clip was here and this clip was here. He just pried this clip off. Once that clip is pried off, then at that point, you have the old glue. It's like a thick, kind of tarry little glue that goes around the windshield. All right, so what he did is he used this tool inside and just kind of went down like this and just kind of scraped the glue so that he can remove the windshield. So once he used that tool to scrape downwards into these corners that you can't visually see, he was able to get it off. And then from that point, he just basically used the blade like I'm showing you guys right here. You can see he's taking out that old molding right there. He's using the blade to take out the old molding. So his goal right now is to get rid of all of that old molding right there. So that's gonna be the glue that keeps the windshield in place. So he's gonna remove that so he can put the new windshield on. So next, what he did is internally, as you can see right here, he's getting off the little window molding from the bottom. So once the windshield comes out, that little molding that holds the windshield in place is then removed. So this is what the window sits in. So it's like a little rubber little molding. So this is how it looks, guys. This is a little cushion. This is the front part. This is glue that the windshield goes on. So this is how it externally looks once you take off the windshield. Just to let you guys know, this is the company. So if you guys are in the Texas area and you guys need a windshield taken care of, you need any dents, repairs, as you can see, it's called Univision. Univision. 713-377-6600. These guys do an amazing job and they'll come right to you. So right now, guys, he's priming it. It's just a primer to get the tar sticky again. He's just gently priming it right now. So as you can see the difference between this side and that side. What he's doing is he's creating a sticky surface on the previous glue so that when he's putting the windshield up, it'll be in place. You don't notice, but the windshield goes pretty deep. It goes all the way down here. So as you guys can see, make sure no leak. Look at that, guys. Doesn't that look cool? So this is the actual rubber sealant, kind of like a tar material that he's putting on the windshield. So this is what's going to keep the windshield in place. And he's going the extra mile. You know, some people may put one layer, but he's putting two for safety, which I appreciate. You guys can see.
This rubber must be going behind this.
Right.
For no air leaking.
Right.
Some technician, they don't care because if it's the water goes from here and goes there.
Right.
If you go the rubber here, maybe it goes inside your.
Okay. Perfect. So as you can see, he put those two layers to prevent water leakage and air leakage. You know, like I said, he's going the extra mile, and this is what's going to prevent your windshield from having any leaks being properly aligned. All right, guys, so it looks like these are going to be the little suctions that he's going to use for my car. Is it me, or do these suctions match with my car? I don't know. Do the suctions match with my car? Does my car match with the suctions? I'm not sure. But as you guys can see, those are what he's going to use to lift up the windshield. All right, guys, this is the new windshield. In case you guys want to see how the new windshield look, as you can see right here, you got to get the right one for your car. I have the rain sensor, so this windshield comes with the actual rain sensor on it, and you see it has these like little seals on it. So this is how the windshield looks, guys. As you can see, mine had the rain sensor. You got to make sure you know your make and model before you let them know about the windshield, because if you can miss one small detail, then you can have a windshield that won't work properly with your car. So yeah, this is the new windshield. Like I said, what I like about them, I've been places before, they will just literally get the windshield and throw it on your car. You see they're going the extra mile. They're being very detailed. They're cleaning it up. So yeah, here we go. So once again, he prepped the area. Now he's cleaning the windshield. And as you guys know, that's where the rearview mirror sensor is going to go. So he's getting it taken care of. And we're going to get that right on the car. So now that he put on the tar, I'm going to call it tar. Now it's time to put on the windshield. So as you guys can see, he's putting on the windshield. Those two suction cups. Man, you don't realize how much a windshield make your car look new again. All right, so he's just adjusting it right now. So he's pretty much adjusting it. He kind of used the tool to put it in, so now he's just doing the adjustment and just kind of pressing it down. Wow, that looks good. And this is the infamous, famous blue tape that we leave on our cars. So how long are we supposed to leave the blue tape on?
For next 24 hours.
24 hours. So guys, you hear that? 24 hours. Don't take it off in 8 hours, 24 hours if you want your windshield to stay on your car and cure properly.
Yeah, that keeps, sometimes if you're driving on the bump or shaking,
right,
it's not gonna be moved down.
Okay, so you hear that from the professionals, guys. 24 hours. So it looks like we have the windshield externally on. So now it looks like he's gonna go ahead and put these clips on back on the car, and then after he puts the clips on the car, he's gonna go ahead and reinstall the rearview mirror. So he's just putting that clip right back on. So you guys can see. Snaps right back in, guys. Look at that. Just like that, guys. So externally, he's pretty much done. I mean, this is pretty much the job, guys. I mean, looks awesome. So he's putting the other clip on there, and then from that point, it's just a matter of reinstalling the rearview mirror. So as you guys can see, the job looks excellent. This is pretty much it, guys. This is how you actually change the windshield to your vehicle and how you install a new one. I know it seems challenging, but we got a couple of DIYers out there that I know can take on this challenge themselves. But regardless of that, if you're in the Texas area, make sure that you reach out to Univision. They're a really, really great team. Or if you want to champion that DIY, you now have the knowledge and know what you need to do. It's just a few tools that you need in order to accomplish the goal. So I just thought this was always an interesting topic to me. Make sure you guys check out all of my playlists. I have playlists on tuning, performance, maintenance, custom body parts. And in addition, if you guys have anything that you have for me, just send me a comment and let me know. Also have a fun treat for you at the end of the video. I'm partnered up with Soul Driving, Houston-based company. They do a lot of videography. for automobiles, and they have a lot of fun stuff going on. So stay tuned. Check out this little teaser. Make sure you show them some support and like and subscribe. Once again, thank you for all your love and support. This is Bruce with Bruce Custom Motors. Peace and love.